Tired of your files being scattered everywhere? Let's transform that digital mess into a streamlined haven with Google Drive in just 90 seconds. First, open your web browser and go to drive@google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you don't have one, it's free to create. See that new button on the top left? Click it. This is your gateway to uploading files, creating new folders, and even launching Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Let's start by creating a folder to keep things organized. Select folder and give it a descriptive name, like project files. Now hit create. Easy, right? Now, to upload a file, you can either click the new button again and select file upload, or simply drag and drop files directly from your computer into the Google Drive window. Sharing is caring, and Google Drive makes it super simple. Right-click on any file or folder and select share. A window pops up allowing you to add specific email addresses of people you want to share with, or create a shareable link. When sharing, you can control their access level. Do you want them to only view the file, add comments, or have full editing rights? Choose the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Google Drive is more than just storage. Create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly within Drive using Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Perfect for collaborative work. Need to find something quickly? Use the search bar at the top. Just type in a keyword or file name, and Google Drive will instantly locate it for you. To find files or folders shared with you, navigate to the Shared With Me section on the left-hand side of the screen. Want to keep essential files close at hand? Star them. Select the star button to easily access your most important files from the starred section. Need to find a file or folder you were just in? Use the Recent tab to see all of your recent activity. And that's it. You've unlocked the basics of Google Drive. Now you can confidently upload, organize, share, and collaborate on your files from anywhere, on any device. So start decluttering and happy driving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.